All right, so today is just going to be my first shop tour video. And really the main reason for this is I want to take one of these every 3 months, 6 months, whatever it may be, as I continue to build out the shop and improve it. So you'll see a couple things that I want to do: build some benches, clean it out, build some cabinets and all that stuff. But you got to start somewhere. And that's what this video is all about. We'll do a little tour. My crazy cool kids. So this little area is my workout area. Just recently hung that. I like it, works well. This is my shop. Obviously needs a lot of cleaning. The plan is to tear all that out and build some cabinets, and tear all that out and build some better storage. But for now, I just need to get it cleaned up, because when I try and work on any projects, this is a disaster. And I'm constantly moving stuff around, which is obviously not ideal. So let's get to cleaning. Looks like Owen wants to help out. Another thing I wanted to mention is, before I got into YouTube and really started watching what a lot of people do, I really did not have any idea what a French cleat is. But I like those, so maybe I'll do those sometime. Right now my pegboards, they work just fine. But one of the things that I think I would like about the French cleats is that they give the ability to hang larger tools, hang little mini cabinets for sandpaper, things of that nature. So eventually I probably will do that, but first I would build my cabinets and clean up and organize the above and below storage here. But for now, I just need to get this bike into a more practical spot. Right here, I'm trying to get this bike right. My wife uses this a lot, and there's no way she would allow me just to put her in a corner without it being comfortable and her able to use it effectively. The screen flipping is what she uses for separate workouts that come with this, with the subscription that she has. Okay, so this is completed, mostly. A lot better than it was. Moved my wife's bike, organized a little bit, still got more cleaning to do, but this definitely helps me work a little bit better. When the golf cart is out the shop / garage. But anyway, organized everything. Now I can actually do some stuff. And again, finish vacuuming. I'm gonna build a wood cart, be able to put all that in, roll it around, and then also I need to slide these things in. This is my workout mats, which I actually really like for everything, but gotta buy a couple more, finish it out. Plan to do that all around the garage, sweep it up pretty good, clean up my area, and that's a wrap. All right, so now that we knocked that out, I appreciate it if you stayed all the way to the end. Again, this is just going to be one of a series of videos as we continue to build out the shop. So until then, see you on the next one.